A quick, very interesting update from the SEO world. So recently, Search Console has started a area called compare. Like when you go to query, and under the query you have filter and you have compare. So this compare is very useful. So previously, what we would do is we will go and, for example, if I want to see that how many queries had say TechShu, and I will put okay, these many queries have TechShu, and then I will note this down. And then what I'll do is I'll say okay, queries not containing TechShu, and then I will be able to do a comparison like this. So which was difficult, and you could not do the comparison everywhere. For example, if I had to go to pages, I'll have to note it down. How many times will I note it down? On the queries, I'll have to note it down accordingly. But now with the new compare, so what you can do is just go to the compare and you say queries containing TechShu and queries not containing TechShu. This is just one of the examples. In fact, and queries containing TechShu and queries not containing TechShu, and you just apply it, and then you will have a comparison between. So these are your branded traffic, these are your non-branded traffic, and you can do a comparison at each of the page level, that okay, what percentage of your traffic comes from branded traffic, what percentage of your traffic comes from non-branded traffic, impression, clicks, all of those things you can check and you can get an update on that. So this is very useful, and especially all the people who are working in SEO, we often look at SEO from keyword perspective or pages perspective and things like that. But generally, you'll have to think from a business perspective. What does this mean from a business? So if a brand traffic is coming, brand traffic is going up, brand traffic is going down, what does that mean for the business? Does that mean the overall pull that the brand used to have is going down? If I'm getting a non-branded traffic, what type of non-branded traffic, what type of pages are coming in? So is it useful for me or not useful for me? So often the top level data, which we always start with rank traffic, and then rank traffic sales. That's how the phases of SEO is divided. But in that whole process, keep looking at detailed data, so that later on when you look at sales, you know that the traffic that you're bringing in is coming from the right type of keywords and right type of people and etc. So this console is, which previously was known as Google Webmaster, and for many years this is the kind of most important tool that is there for a webmaster to understand what's happening on their website. From now, there are so many things that are added inside this, including the quality of your page, including the keywords, because now you don't get the keywords data on Google Analytics, so you'll have to integrate that with Google Webmaster or Google Console to get that keywords. So keep looking at it and keep improving it, and this is an absolutely brilliant update for all the webmasters and all the people working in SEO and otherwise in digital marketing. So I hope this helps. Stay tuned with TechShu for all the updates, and if there is any and we will be launching some new knowledge courses for the CXOs to make better decisions, which we have recently conducted some of the training sessions at very large organizations, some of the top educational institutes, etc. So we are refining a simplified course which can help all of you to get a business making uh, not it's not a knowledge base, but it's a converting the knowledge to wisdom, where you can use that framework and the structures to get a one page view of whatever you are doing to make better decisions. So stay tuned and keep sharing with us. Keep stay connected. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel. And if you have any requirement, whether you want to ask us a question, if you want an opinion on your digital marketing, or if you have any execution related work, training related work, do ping us. If we are a good match, then we will certainly work on that, or otherwise we'll share knowledge for free so that you can take it forward from there. Thank you so much, and have a very good day.